All right, all right, all right. Wake up, everybody. It's time to participate in your own financial rescue with the Crazy Cash Cow Flyer people. The Crazy Cash Cow Flyers. Look how crazy these cows look. And you know what they're going to do? Help put cash in your mailbox. Brand new, people, right off the press. I'm only going to take 25 people that I personally sponsor to get into this program. Okay? Only going to take 25. That's going to leave that 25 to make a whole bunch of cash money and make it happen in a very short period of time. Imagine $75,000 in 6 months. People, when you get into $400 or $600, okay, and you keep all of the money, that can happen pretty fast. All right, it's what I call mush. That means mail until something happens. Look how beautiful this is constructed. Okay, it's going straight into detail on what you need to do. Simply, look here. If 5 people start, okay, at the 200 level, there's 3 levels. That's just $1,000. If 10 people start at the 400 level, that's $4,000, people. And look at this, just 15 people, okay, sending you $600. That's $9,000 that day, that week, that month. And people, it can happen with the Crazy Cash Fly. With the Crazy Cash Fly. And this is what you're going to get with it. When someone joins, okay, someone joins you, they're going to get 2, 4, or $600. Okay, 2, 4, or $600. At the 200 level, they're going to get 200 full data leads. Okay, now, right up here, I'm explaining what the full data leads are. Okay, their names, address, phone number, email addresses of people that are currently in network marketing, okay, or been involved in network marketing and ready to spend anywhere from $5,000 to $12,000, from $500 to $12,000 to getting started with a business. Okay, they come here, they look at this, they simply pick out the pack, either the 2, the 4, or the 600. All right, at the 400 level, you're going to get 400 full data leads. All right, at the 600 level, you're going to get 600 full data leads. All of them is going to come with $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice. That means you can't lose with the coupons you choose. What's my story? Well, let me tell you. It is so simple. Went to Walmart, okay, grocery shopping, get to the register, my bill come up to over $190. But when I pulled out my grocery coupons that I selected for items I use, the bill came up a little over $90, people. I saved over $100. That same day, I went and got a pedicure, manicure, and took myself out to eat with the savings I made. Groceries is going up, people. You want to get started in some type of business that's going to offer you some other than just a flyer or a few stamps. That's it. You're going to get 2 for $600 and 5 books of stamps sent to you when you get started in this and you mail this particular flyer out. And people get started. Your name is going to go over here in this box, and they have a selection. They're going to select 2, okay, 4, 600, and it is so simple to do. If you can put a stamp on the envelope, put this flyer in there, then you're good to go. You're good to go. So, are you ready? Well, it all depends on your mindset. If God have you looking at this, He is telling you to make that move. Make that move right now. Come join us. Come be a part of our team. You know, some people rather be all of something small than be a part of something big. This is something big. This is something huge. Now let's look at the $600 level. Because of course, with all of them, you're going to get the marketing kit. All right. A 3-day, 2-night vacation. You pick you select the places that we have. It's in the continental U.S. or U.S. territories. As simple as that. This is taking care of the hotel accommodations. Okay? Taking care of the hotel accommodation. So that's it, people. This is the Crazy Cash Cow flyer. All right? And it's telling cash on U.S. postal money orders only. And what they're going to do is they're going to print this out. They're going to mail this in with their payment. Okay? Mail this in with your payment. You just simply write down your name and your address and your phone number, people, and you're in. And you're in. It is as simple as that. Give me a call, 346-704-1754. That's 346-704-1754. Be a part of something big with the Crazy Cash flyer, people. Okay? $200, $400, $600, and you keep all the money along with 5 books of stamps. I hope you have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. I look forward to working with you. God bless you. And remember, your thoughts determine what you want, but your action determine what you get. If you're tired of being broke, it is time for you to make that move. Have a great day.